Hi everyone! Today I'll guide you through the process of creating a time series graph in Excel using data collected from file labs. Follow each step carefully to accurately visualize how counts change over time. Begin by collating your time series data from the file labs website. Make sure you have all the information you need for the analysis. Open an Excel spreadsheet and create column headers labeled turntable number, source type, absorber type, and count. Enter the data you extracted from file labs under the appropriate columns. Check that your entries are correct and complete. Highlight the data you want shown in your time series graph. Be sure to include the relevant columns. Go to the Insert tab in the Excel ribbon. This is where you can create charts and graphs. Within the Insert tab, locate the Time Series line chart tile and click on it. Choose the first time series / line chart option that appears. Excel will generate the chart automatically. Once the time series graph appears, Excel will automatically take you to the Chart Design toolbar so you can customize your chart. Click on Chart Title and rename it to something appropriate, such as Time Series of Counts versus Source. From the Chart Design tab, select Add Chart Element. Select Axes Titles, then click Primary Horizontal. For the horizontal axes, use a name such as sources. For the vertical axes, repeat step 11, but this time select primary vertical and name it count. Your time series graph is now complete. You can further refine your chart with colours, labels, or formatting to highlight the trends in your data. Thanks for watching. Bye!